Hi, this is part two of lesson 4-7 on subtracting expressions. And it says here to close your book. We're actually on page 233, I think, or 232, somewhere around there. Anyway, and but I don't want you to look at your book because your book does it kind of a weird way. So let's just get, if you have your book open, just cover up the part where they wrote it out and we'll do it ourselves. So Jada is comparing these two places, and she wants to find what's the difference in membership costs after M months if she joins Be Strong instead of Zippy Health Club. Okay, well, if I'm going to find the difference in membership costs, normally I want to see which ones, like how much am I saving? So how much am I saving by going with one versus the other? Then I would usually do the more expensive one minus the cheaper one, right? Because that would make sense. Then I would find my savings and it would be a positive. So I really want to be able to I want to do the one that's more expensive minus the cheaper one. But I kind of have to think about this first to see which one's which. And so initially I think, well, look at this Zippy. It's got $49.95. So that one's more expensive. But when I look really closely, that's just an upfront fee. They're only charging $19.95 per month. And when we look at Be Strong, yeah, they give you $10 off the first month. So that's nice. But then they're going to charge you $24.99 each additional month. So the longer you have this membership, over time, it's going to be more expensive to go to Be Strong because they're charging you like $25 a month, whereas Zippy is charging you $20 a month. So if we just look at that, if I want to say, okay, so Be Strong is charging you about $25 per month, whereas Zippy is charging about $20 per month. So how much am I saving by going to Zippy versus Be Strong? Well, to find the savings, I would subtract them, right? So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to subtract the Be Strong expression minus the Zippy expression to find our savings. So let me write the expression for Be Strong. This one's a little tricky, but it'll kind of make sense. First, I'm going to go with the monthly fee because that's my unit rate. So I know it's $24.99 per month, so that's $24.99 times M. Okay? Then it's $10 off the first month. So they're taking away $10, but only one time, not per month, just for one time. So just a one-time subtraction of $10. So that's Be Strong. Now I'm going to subtract from that the Zippy expression. Okay, so for the Zippy, I paused there for a second in case it didn't make sense. Let me write this expression. So I'm going to start with the unit rate of $19.95 per month. And this time with the membership fee to join, that's something they add on. So I'm going to add $49.95, just one time, not per month, just a one-time fee. So there you go. There are the two expressions. Oops, I forgot my M. My bad. Oops. Okay. So I'm going to subtract those two. Well, to subtract them, there's a couple ways of doing this. So there's a couple different tricks you could use to understand this, but I'm just going to explain to you this way. So I have the first expression, $24.99 per month, minus $10 off the first month. I'm going to compare them by subtracting everything that involves Zippy. I'm going to subtract away the $19.95 per month, and I'm going to subtract the $49.95. I have to subtract both of those. If I just subtract the front number and then add this, that wouldn't be taking everything away. Okay, that would just be adding on something additional. And I don't want to do that. It's taking away everything that's involved with Zippy. So to do that, though, to simplify this expression, I need to go and change. I'm going to keep change. I'm going to go and change all of this to addition so I can move things around. Okay, so when I put the M's together, the monthly fees together, okay, so I combine I subtract the monthly fees from each other. Over the time, I'm really saving $5.04 per month, okay? I have to, though, remember that, but in addition to that, I have these other charges that I have to account for. So there's like $60 that I'm saving, like for $60, that's the difference. So in general, though, I would save $5.04 per month once I got rid of this $59.95. And it would just take me like, I don't know, 12 months to do that. And then about after a year's time, I should be in